Don't you see? You gotta let it hurt. I fought it out.